If when starting up Trakker, you start getting a bunch of errors right in the startup, I'm going to go through how to fix that. So get an error like this, and then probably a series of errors, different errors following it. We just click the OK to get through them, because basically it's telling us a bunch of errors. There's probably something wrong with the database. We're going to take a look here in a minute after we put through all the errors, and it's probably that the database is corrupted and we need to fix it. Okay, so now that we've gone through the errors, we're going to go to Start, File Explorer, and we want to look for the storage card. First off, we see there's just one, so that's good. So we're going to open that storage card, look in the CalZone data folder under htrakker, and this is where the database files are stored. The one down that says data, you see it's about 9 meg, whereas the ones below it, data back 720 and 722, are almost double that size. That suggests that there was an error, tried to recover it, we had a problem. So we're going to first off make a copy of the one from today, which is the 722 one. So we're going to copy that, and I'm going to abbreviate the time here in the copying because it could take several minutes. And it makes file and calls it copy of database blah 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 blah. So now we're going to use that to replace the damaged data database. So rather than just delete the data file, we're going to rename it as data old. And we save that. We come down, and now we're going to rename our copy of the data backup and call it just data. Now that is our data file. If we tap on it to open it, it should open up through the SQL query analyzer. And when it opens up, we should see that it didn't give us any errors or any problems that we can see. So we want to stop it by pressing that red square down there. And now by clicking here, we're telling it to compact and repair this database, any damage that happened to it. And that would have taken several minutes longer than that. I've abbreviated the time here. But if we hit the green play button, it opens up. We see tables. We didn't get any errors. Now we hit stop. This should mean that it worked. Now here it's important, we want to hit exit out of here. If we didn't hit exit, when we go to start Trakker now, it would say that the database is still locked by the SQL CE database. So since we exited that, now we just are starting up Trakker. And hopefully we'll see it come up without any of the starting error messages that we'd seen a moment ago. There we go. It says synchronized and splashed, and it's looking much better in its startup. And there we go. We can go ahead and log in. And then once we've logged in, we should be able to take a look through our customer files, maybe look at the at a report from yesterday's invoices or earlier today's invoice to make everything there. There we go. That's how you fix the SQL CE